Kalafatu Makau. Here for a haircut. Got the Nephew, Kingston.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go. New business now. Kingston's opened up his own business, Niue business. So, bro, if people want to get a haircut from you, what's the handle or what's the contact?
Just through Instagram. I'll send you my Instagram.
Oh yeah. I'll put down the details below.
In the description.
Hey. So yeah, if you're in the East Auckland area, give us a ring. How far do you go out?
I'll go anywhere.
And what is it, like $2 per kilometer? How does that work? How does the?
Oh, it just depends how far you stay.
Yeah.
I'll calculate everything on. Just send the address and that.
Oh yeah. So if you're too busy, and you want a haircut from home, and you want to support Niue businesses, Niue tangata Niue, you know, Kingston will come to you. So he drives out to your place or wherever you are, gives you a cut. Just make sure there's no barking dogs, or no kaihas or tangata keles. Yeah, no need for a metal detector, none of that, eh? But yeah, if you're keen for a cut, support the Nef. You know, just details in the description below. But yeah, okay, we'll see you after the cut. Whakaoi.
Melbourne to Auckland is only 3.5 hours.
So, yep, look at the haircut. Fuloala e hifiulu hako. Kingston, hey, when did you start going private?
Maybe like a month ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, about a month now.
So it's March now, and Kingston's become a self-employed businessman. There's a few of us around, me not included. But sure, Kingston, support the bro. We'll put the description, the link in the description. Look at that.
Shit.
Fuck all it. Yeah. Thanks, Kingston. And here we got #1 supporters.